Hello. I like the font, the colors. I really like that stripe in the back. That's very creative. I've never seen a student add a pattern to this. So don't worry about not seeing the headline. It's just the way the preview works on my computer. The apple looks great, although I see one little strange point that is causing the edge of the apple there, the apple leaf, to stand out. Do you see that little arc? And because that the shape of the leaf is so distinctive, you just see it just looks like it's copy and pasted. So consider making every leaf a little bit different. But the apple looks great. It's a good shape. The font is a little hard to read. Typically, decorative type is only supposed to be used for like headlines or subheads because it's just considered hard to read in paragraph form. Also, font that is condensed is also considered hard to read, and it's supposed to just be used for labels or headlines, whatever. And you've got both here. So I know you need something heavy because of the background. So like I was telling Paige, consider going to, let me see, where are you? Go to dafont.com and look up like a simple sans serif. Maybe you want something a little heavier. Something light like this would get lost with that gradient, but let's see. Something like that would be easier to read. It's not so condensed and it's heavy. So just experiment. You can type in whatever word you want in here to get the idea. Apple picking. So again, this rubato wouldn't work with your dark background. It would get lost. But this one, apple picking, you can see it's thick enough, and there's a lot of air around every letter, so it would make it easier to take in quickly. But otherwise, I think it's great. It's very creative. Let me know if you have any questions.